everyone, I'm Dr. Kiran Abbas. Welcome to the official YouTube channel for Taurus Research. Research is not easy. Therefore, at Taurus Research, we aim to make things as easier as possible for you so that you can focus on your research without getting overwhelmed. Today, we are going to have a tutorial on how to manage and cite your references using Mendeley software. Now, before we do that, you will have to get the software, get the application from the official website of Mendeley, mendeley.com. Here, you can download it and install it in your computer and also in your MacBook. Now, once you do that, you will have to create an account for Elsevier because Mendeley is a product of Elsevier, and you need an account to make sure that all your references are being saved in your Mendeley software, right? Once you install it and once you create your account here, all your references will show up in this app here, all right? And it's better to also quickly go to the tools bar here and just install Mendeley Cite for Microsoft Word. Once you click install Mendeley Cite for Microsoft Word, this window should pop up, and this is a completely free extension for Microsoft Word. And I will show you why this is something that you need to do. All right, so let's begin by first trying to upload a few articles in your Mendeley app. So you can see that I've already created a few collections here. And the reason why I recommend you creating different collections is because this way your articles will remain in an organized fashion. And whenever you want to export and whenever you want to cite for your particular project, you can definitely go back to these collections. So for example, if you want to create a new collection, you can do that by adding the name of that article or adding anything, any title, whatever you want, and then click enter. This way you will have a separate collection for that particular topic, right? So I already created and uploaded a few articles here for this particular tutorial. And you can see that these articles are from different years, and I downloaded them first from PubMed, and from there I uploaded them in this particular folder. So for example, if I want to, let's just play with an example here. You go to PubMed and you find an article you want to cite, let's say on Ozempic. You can download it easily like this. Download the PDF and just save it in one of your folders, right? Now, once you do that, once you have saved this particular article in one of your folders, you can now drag this article to your Mendeley app like this. Just drag it here. It's so easy just to do that. Just go to your collection Ozempic, which we created earlier, and then just drop it. And you'll see here that within a second, the article that we downloaded is now in your reference manager. Right. Now, if you want to see any duplicates, if you have any duplicates in your particular, reference list, you can go to this duplicates tab, and you can see that there are a certain number of duplicates, and you can delete them. You can either keep them, right? You can move them to trash. It's quite helpful, honestly, because when you're managing references of review articles, specifically of meta-analysis, there's not just 20, 30 references. Sometimes there are even hundreds of references that we need to cite, and it's not an easy task to do it manually, right? So that's why this particular tool, which is completely free of cost and completely easy to use, very user friendly, it's an amazing thing to have, right? So now let's see how exactly we are gonna cite while we write, right? So for example, this is a statement that I want to have my citation here, and this is a statement. I just copy pasted it just to show you guys what I'm gonna do. So before we do that, I want you guys to make sure that you have downloaded and got this extension, and it is obviously completely free. How you're gonna go about it is go to your Mendeley app, go to this tab here, and install Mendeley Cite for Word. Once you click that, it will automatically lead you to App Store, Microsoft App Store, and then you can see that it is it's an extension for your Word file, Microsoft Word. You can get it, and it's completely free. And the reason why I want you guys to do that is because it will help you cite as you write, right? All right, now going back to the document that I showed you earlier, this as an example. Over here, I want to cite something. For example, over here, I want to cite it, right? I want to cite this statement. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my cursor here, and then I'm going to go to this bar here, references. And you can see that this Mendeley Cite was not here before, but it's here now. The reason why is because I installed this, and it automatically gets this extension in your Word. Right, so you click this, and obviously if you're using it for the first time, then obviously you will need to log into this particular account of yours. So remember, I told you that you need an account because this is an Elsevier product, and if you to use Mendeley, you need an account. You need to create an account in Elsevier, and that same account will be used over here when you're citing it in your Word file, the same account, right? So right now I already have the sign in. I already am signed in. I don't need to sign it again. But what I need you guys to do is check this out. So all your references are here, but you can also go to your different collections. But remember that I created a collection by the name of Ozempic over here, but I don't see it here, right? I see it here, but I don't see it over here in the extension. So this means that, sorry, this means that it is not in sync right now. So this is the sync in that you can click on to make sure that all your references are in sync with your Mendeley app. Now, what I've done is I updated it, and now you can see that the new collection that I created, Ozempic, is here, and the reference that I dragged to and uploaded to Mendeley is also here. So if I want to cite something, I need my cursor exactly in place where I want the citation. Before you even do that, you can check out the citation settings and change it according to what your requirements are. For example, if I need Vancouver, I will make sure that my citations are being cited in Vancouver by changing it to in the citation tab, citation settings tab. All right, so let's start. Let's start the citation process. You click the one that you want, and then you insert the citation. And you can see that as soon as you do that, this number will show up. Right. Now, the other thing that you need to do now is insert the bibliography. Obviously, you need the list of references, right? List of references is extremely important as well. So I want my list of references at the end of my paper, for example. So I'll bring my cursor here, and I will go to these little three dots here on the right corner of the extension. And you can see that it is giving me an option of insert bibliography. You click that, and automatically your particular references will come up here. Since we only cited one reference is here. If you had cited multiple references, all of the references will come up here. Now you can give it a heading of references, you can call it bibliography. It's up to you, right? So that's it, guys. That's it. So if you guys need more of these, informative videos, do comment on it. Tell me what you would like to see next. And if you find this particular video informative, please do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel and comment below to give feedback. Thank you so much.